Seated spinal stretches are a little easier to perform because you don't actually have to maintain the position with any effort, so you can just lie into the ground. So I'm going to show you a forward bend, also known as child's pose if you're familiar with yoga, and a lying twist. So for your forward bend, you're going to sit back onto your heels if you can. If you have any knee issues, you can place a pillow under your butt, or just take yourself to whatever position is comfortable for your knees. And fold yourself forward with your arms outstretched over your head. In this position, you're stretching your upper back a lot and trying to reach your arms away from your body to elongate your spine. And again, just like with the standing stretch, try not to lift your head. Try to let your head just completely hang. Deep breaths. And now you're going to walk yourself to one direction. Okay, this is going to help stretch your lats and all the muscles along the side of your waistline. And try to hold each position for at least 30 seconds or however long you feel release. And walk over to the other side. Keep checking in on your neck to make sure you're not arching up. And breathe. Relax into each exhalation. And walk it back to center. And if you would really like to be passive in this stretch, let your head touch the ground. And you can let your arms come back down by your legs and just let them go. So this will help spread your shoulder blades and help the middle trapezius muscles, the rhomboids, all of the muscles controlling your shoulders totally release. Okay. And gently, hands by your knees, push yourself up out of that. If you stay there too long, you might find you could just spasm a muscle if you get up too quickly. So now we're going to do a spinal twist. So you're going to lie on your back. You're going to outstretch one leg, arms out to your sides, bend one leg up over your belly, and grab that with your opposite hand. Pull it across your body until your foot hits the floor, if it can. Now, if you're really tight, you might just be hanging out in the air here. That's okay. We're trying to keep the opposite shoulder against the floor so that the maximal twist is happening somewhere in your waistline. And it's helpful to also follow that twist with your neck and look over your other shoulder. So now we have a complete spinal twist. You're also going to feel a pull through your hip joint here. And breathe deeply. Now this is one of those positions that can make you feel vulnerable. So take your time with it and try to relax. Check in with anything that might be sort of reacting to this stretch. You might be tensing someplace else up in your body. Check in with every spot in your body and try to relax everything and let it go. And then to come out of it, gently push that knee up back into your chest. Roll it into your stomach, hold it with that hand, then bring your other leg up and extend that leg straight again. And repeat on the other side. And you'll just twist this way, okay? As far as you can go. Looking over your other shoulder, relaxing your belly, letting the leg drift closer to the floor. Test your limit, see how far that spine will go comfortably. It should not hurt. Don't forget, every stretch should feel lovely, should feel nice, shouldn't feel painful. Okay, and bring that leg back into your chest and hug both knees in. And now here's a good way to finish off to make sure that your whole spine has been stretched. Use your abs. Tuck your chin, make yourself into a nice tight ball. Hug your knees with your arms. And relax. Feet to the ground. And just lay there for a second and let everything just kind of let go before you get up. And when you do get up, turn to one side, hand on the floor, and don't get up too quickly because you could, again, spasm a muscle. So that is how you stretch your spine on the floor.